Device and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download apps on your Motorola device. So there is two ways for it, by the Google Play Store and from the web browser. I'm going to show you both methods. So in the Play Store, it's a little bit obvious, but just look for your desired app, like a volume booster for example, tap on it and choose install. That's it. But if you want to install the apps from other stores than the official store, just go to your web browser, look for the app that you want to install, like Fortnite launcher. Just download it like any other app. Tap download and again. And now just tap on the open file. Add the permissions to your web browser to install the apps and tap install. And how you can see, there we have this app here. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.